Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Circle Time Kids Club. You saying hi, Autumn? Very good. Today with our guest, Miss Autumn Rain, and our friends Pete the cat, and our little friends. Again, we have Miss Marcus and Mr. Marcus and Miss Lexi with us. So glad you're here today. Autumn, let's sing them a song, okay? I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. Very good, Autumn. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, now, all right, we're going to do our 5 senses. Are you ready to do your 5 senses, Autumn? Yes, so let's do our 5 senses. I can see with my eyes. I can smell with my nose, even though her little nose is covered. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue. And I can touch with my hands. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. We love you. Very good. Good job, Autumn. Good job, Pete and friends. And good job to you. So now we're going to say our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Now, can you say the days of the week? Let's say the days of the week. You ready, Autumn? Okay, there's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Good job, Autumn. Now, let's say our months of the year. Do you know your months of the year? Okay, let's say them, Autumn. There's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good. High five, Autumn. Good job. All right, now, let's say them in Spanish. And then after we say our months of the year in Spanish, we're going to go back and do our days of the week in Spanish. Okay? Janeiro, Febrero, Marzo, Abril, Mayo, Junio, Julio, Agosto, Septiembre, Octubre, Noviembre, Diciembre. Yay! Good job. Okay, let's say them again. I see your puppy on your shirt. Let's say them again. Autumn was pointing out something very special on her clothes. Okay, let's say the months of the year in Spanish again. Janeiro, Febrero, Marzo, Abril, Mayo, Junio, Julio, Agosto, Septiembre, Octubre, Noviembre, Diciembre. Very good, Autumn. Good job, Pete and friends. Now, let's go back and say the days of the week in Spanish. Are you ready to say the days of the week in Spanish? Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Very good. we're going to do that one more time. The days of the week in Spanish. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Very good. Now, do you want to say a nursery rhyme? Let's say a nursery rhyme. I'm going to see if you remember it. Okay, you ready, Autumn? It's about a cat, a cow, singing, hey, diddle, diddle. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. You want to do that again? Let's do that again. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Very good. I'm trying to see if you can remember that nursery rhyme. Can you remember that nursery rhyme? Very good. Okay, now we're going to count from 1 to 10, our numbers. All right, you ready, Autumn? Yeah, we're going to do that next, but we're going to count first. You ready to count? Okay, Pete, you ready to count? All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, Autumn. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now, let's say the numbers from 1 to 10 in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, Autumn. Very good to you as well. Give yourself a hand and pat yourself on the shoulder. Good job. Yes, you want to hold this? We're going to count for me first. Can we count? And then you can hold the pointer. Autumn wants to do extra teaching. All right, let's count in Spanish one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, I'm going to let Autumn hold that. And we're going to go over our shapes. Do you know your shapes? Let's say them together. Hexagon, square, has 4 sides with the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal sides. Then there's a pentagon and a octagon. Here, I'll point to the octagon. That's shaped like a stop sign. Let's do that again. Okay, there's a hexagon. There's a square. There's a pentagon. And then there's an octagon. Can you see the octagon? Very good. Oops, I'll get it. That's okay, Autumn. Miss Porter get it. Now, let's make a circle. Autumn, can you make a circle with your hand? Make a circle. Round and round and round she goes. Here, use the wand and make a circle. Make a circle. Round and round and round she goes, and where she stops, nobody knows. That's a circle. Okay, now, can you make a triangle? Miss Porter's going to make a triangle with her hands. It's like this. There's 3 sides to a triangle. 1, 2, 3. And a point at the top. That's a triangle. Okay, now, this is the same shape of a rectangle. This is my eraser board, but I want to show you different shapes and objects. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 2 long sides, the rectangle, and 2 short sides. This is a rectangular shape. Very good. Autumn, you going to hold on to that? Okay. Now, let's do our colors. You want to do your colors, Autumn? You hold my pointer. I'm going to point with my hand. This is the color red. Can you say red? This is the color orange. This is the color yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black. Let's do the colors again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black. Red and yellow and green and blue, purple and orange too. You can sing a rainbow, a pretty rainbow, a pretty rainbow too. Very good, Autumn. Good job. Okay, are you ready to sing another song? Let's sing a song. Let's go on a walk. Are you ready to go on a walk? Let's go on a walk. Mr. Frog went walking on a summer day. Mr. Frog went walking on a summer day. He met Miss Market on his way. Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, will you marry me? Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, will you marry me? We'll live together in an apple tree. Ought to make an apple tree. Make an apple tree. You make an apple tree? Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, what we having for supper? Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, what we having for supper? What? Fried mosquitoes and bread and butter. Very good. You did such a good job. Give yourself a hand, Autumn, and pat yourself on the shoulder. Good job.